Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cultivators for clay soil that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Rotary Cultivator Garden by Mahumach. This tool stands out for its versatility and ergonomic design, making it a solid choice for gardeners who need an adjustable tiller for a variety of tasks. The cultivator features 3 interchangeable rotary blade wheels, which you can easily swap out depending on your needs. Whether it's decompressing hardened clay soil, pulling weeds, or reseeding grass, the adjustable handle, which extends between 29.7 inches to 57 inches, ensures comfortable use for people of all heights and helps prevent back strain. In terms of build quality, the rotary head tines are crafted from anti-rust aluminum, while the handle is made of durable stainless steel for long-term reliability. At just 1.96 pounds, this cultivator is exceptionally lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. However, the lightweight design may not provide as much leverage for deeply compacted clay soil, so it's best suited for lighter gardening tasks rather than heavy-duty cultivation. For $34.99, the Mahumach Rotary Cultivator offers great value for gardeners looking for an easy-to-use, versatile tool. It's ideal for small to medium flower beds, reseeding patches, and general soil mixing. On the downside, its lightweight design may limit its effectiveness in tougher soil conditions, and its limited user reviews make it harder to gauge long-term performance. Still, for its price and versatility, it's an excellent addition to any gardener's toolkit. At number 4, we have the Jardinier Hand Tiller Garden Claw. This heavy-duty manual tiller is specifically designed for use in flower boxes and raised beds, making it a great choice for gardeners with smaller, confined spaces. One standout feature here is the anti-slip footplate, which allows you to maximize downward force when treading into clay soil. Combined with its arrow-sharp tines, this tool efficiently loosens and aerates hard-packed earth, ensuring optimal water and fertilizer flow for healthier plants. The build quality is impressive, with powder-coated steel construction that ensures durability and rust resistance. The curved handle is ergonomically designed to save effort while twisting, making this tool easier on your wrists and back during prolonged use. At 4.66 pounds, it has a sturdy feel that provides ample leverage but remains manageable for most users. However, users with larger gardening areas may find the shorter handle limiting, as you'll need to reposition frequently to cover more ground. Priced at $28.99, this cultivator offers excellent value for gardeners who need a reliable tool for smaller spaces and lighter tasks. Its compact size makes it ideal for raised beds, flower boxes, and around shrubs. But it's not the best option for larger gardens or deeply compacted soil. While the Jardinier hand tiller excels in precision and ease of use, its limited reach may not suit everyone's needs. Still, for its price and functionality, it's a worthy contender for anyone working in tight spaces. Coming in at number 3 is the Wallen Upgrade Twist Tiller, which is our budget-friendly option at just $26.99. Despite its low price, this tool delivers exceptional performance for manual tilling and aerating clay soil. Its 4 sharp, curved tines penetrate the earth effortlessly, making it easy to loosen, turn, and aerate soil in both large open areas and narrower spaces. The ergonomic T-shaped handle, complete with rubber grips, allows you to use the force of your body rather than your hands to twist the tines into the soil, reducing fatigue during extended gardening sessions. The Wallen Twist Tiller is made from high-quality steel with a durable powder coating, ensuring resistance to rust and weather damage. At 4.49 pounds, it strikes a good balance between sturdiness and portability. Assembly is straightforward, requiring only 3 simple steps, and the removable claw design allows for convenient storage and cleaning. However, it's worth noting that this tool is less effective on extremely compacted clay soil and is not suitable for cemented areas. For its price, the Wallen Twist Tiller offers unbeatable value for gardeners on a budget. It's ideal for loosening soil, promoting water and nutrient flow, and maintaining smaller garden beds. While it lacks the advanced features of pricier models, like adjustable handles or interchangeable tines, it excels in simplicity and durability. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable manual cultivator, this one's hard to beat. Taking the number 2 spot is the Fiskars Tiller Cultivator, a premium manual gardening tool designed for maximum comfort and precision. This cultivator features a telescoping handle that extends from 40 to 60 inches, allowing users of all heights to till without bending or stooping. Its lightweight fiber-comp head holds 6 durable aluminum wheels, which excel at aerating and cultivating even tough clay soil. For added precision, the center wheels can be removed, making it easier to target specific areas around seedling rows. In terms of build quality, Fiskars has hit the mark with rust-proof aluminum cultivating wheels that can withstand heavy use. The ergonomic telescoping handle further enhances the user experience by reducing strain during long gardening sessions. At just 2.4 pounds, this tool is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. However, its manual design may not be suitable for larger gardens or heavy-duty soil tasks, as it requires more effort than electric alternatives. While the price isn't listed, Fiskars tools are known for their quality and durability, often backed by lifetime warranties. This cultivator is ideal for gardeners looking for a reliable, user-friendly tool for small to medium garden beds and tight spaces. Its main drawback is the manual operation, which may not suit users with tougher soil or larger areas to cover. Still, with its thoughtful design and premium materials, the Fiskars Tiller is an excellent investment for precise soil cultivation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Earthwise TC700025 corded electric tiller cultivator. This premium option is perfect for gardeners looking for a powerful, eco-friendly solution to tackling tough clay soil. Powered by a robust 2.5-amp motor, this electric tiller cultivates up to 7.5 inches wide and 6 inches deep, making it ideal for small to mid-sized gardens and flower beds. The 4 durable steel tines ensure efficient soil aeration, mixing, and weed control, while the single lever switch guarantees a smooth start every time. The design is both lightweight and ergonomic, weighing 8.8 pounds and featuring a soft grip handle for comfortable operation. Unlike manual tools, this electric tiller requires minimal effort, making it perfect for gardeners with limited physical strength or larger areas to cover. Its corded operation ensures consistent power without the need for gas or batteries, although you'll need to factor in cord management during use. Additionally, its eco-friendly design makes it a great alternative to gas-powered tillers, reducing emissions and noise. Priced at $98.99, the Earthwise TC700025 is the most expensive option on our list, but the performance and convenience it offers make it well worth the investment. It's ideal for gardeners who need a reliable, high-powered tool for clay soil and value eco-conscious features. On the downside, it's not suitable for extremely compacted soil or professional-level gardening tasks. Still, for home gardeners tackling hard-packed earth, this cultivator is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.